Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today is the day where I'm getting my epidural steroid injection. Finally. I am a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what to expect. The doctor said it's going to be a very quick procedure, 5 minutes at most. I'm also really scared because people are telling me that it's really painful and those cooling sprays and numbing cream doesn't work. My friend Alexa, she's had epidural shots a few times and she always requests to go under to go to sleep. So I don't know. I guess it just all depends how I feel in that moment, if they even allowed us to go to sleep. It's currently 9:15. My appointment is at 11:15, so I have 2 hours. So ready to get over with, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it will help with the pain. She did tell me in the last appointment that you're gonna feel sore for a few days before it actually kicks in. Happy Wednesday. I am doing my skincare and I want to show you guys this one. This is the brightening facial toner that my aunt got me for Christmas. I'm not sure if you guys can see because it's all glass. It's really pretty packaging. It's a brightening toner with vitamin C and squalene, and yeah, it just helps brighten the skin for a radiant complexion. And I've used it last night and it smells really good. It smells florally and fresh. It's not too strong of a scent. And this is going to be a lot. It's going to last me a long time. I like the bottle because you spray it. So you can either spray it in your palms or spray it on a cotton pad. So I just do this. I really like that. That way you're not pouring out so much product. Yeah, it smells very fresh. I will see how this toner works on my skin. I really hope it doesn't break me out. Give it about a few weeks to try. I will report back in a few weeks. This is 6 fluid ounces. This is gonna last me the whole year for the most part. I mean, this thing is big. She got this at TJ Maxx, which I've never used actual products. I never buy products from TJ Maxx because I just never know if it's legit or not. This looks legit. I mean, I'm looking at the ingredients and everything looks really natural. It's of course cruelty free and expires in 2 years, and it's made in the USA. So yeah, hopefully it does good to my skin. And after the injection, I do want to swing by and get some sourdough from Whole Foods. That way I can make some more avocado toast. I have 4 more avocados left in the fridge and I want to eat them. Alexander is off today, so he's going to be home with me. And then when Eric gets off work, he wants to try this new restaurant in town. It's called Coco Shrimp, and I heard a lot of good things about it. There's this friend of mine, more so acquaintances. She's a huge foodie and she just goes to all these new restaurants in the DFW area, and she will post it on her Instagram, and her videos and photos are so pretty with the food, drinks, and all that stuff. And so she posted about Coco Shrimp a couple of times and she said it's really good. It looks good. So Eric wants to go try it out. His coworker even says it's good. So we're gonna do that today when he gets off work. That will be my early dinner for today. I'll take you guys along for the day, of course, and we'll see what we get into. But I am gonna keep it very chill the next couple of days because of the injection, and not do any heavy lifting, workouts, anything like that. Oh, and I also can't believe today is the last day of January. This whole month just flew by. I'm already oh my god, we only have 11 months left of 2024. We're gonna be heading out here soon, and I'll check back in and let you guys know how the injection goes. Okay, heading out now. This week has been extremely warm. It's going up into the 70s all week. It's very nice weather. We've been taking the dogs out for walks. It's beautiful and sunny, unlike last week where it was so dreary, gloomy. Complete 180. Also, I'm wearing the glasses that Lucine got me. I look like a little bug or a fly. They're so big and they're perfect for my wide face. I also got some new sunglasses from Amazon. They're just like the gold metal frames that I have, if you guys even remember. But I realized that I prefer metal frames, you know, with these little pads for your nose. That way it sits on your nose more comfortably. I'll show you the one from Amazon another day. I put it away. Right now, I'm just rotating my sunglasses. I'm going to be wearing these now for a while. I think Lucina said she got these from H&M. Alright, just left the doctor's office. Illy, I'm filming.
I know, that's why.
It was mainly waiting. The waiting part took longer than the whole procedure. The procedure took like 10 minutes. Yeah, besides the whole waiting, we waited like 45 minutes. The lady was nice. She was chatting with me, trying to make conversation while we wait for the doctor. The doctor came in like a little late. She apologized because, you know, patients like to come right on time for their appointment or even a little late. So that's why she was running behind. But the whole setup, preparation, and the whole procedure took under 10 minutes. She didn't put numbing cream. She used a cooling spray and then injected numbing in me. That's the only thing that hurt. It was like a couple of pinches that hurt. But after that, it was more so pressure. But it didn't hurt at all. My friend Alexa and my mom got me all riled up. It's gonna be painful. It's gonna hurt.
I had them.
Yeah.
I had them. They're not bad.
Yeah.
I mean, mine is the numbing, and it's
Yeah.
just your foot feels numb. For me, it was foot. So
Yeah.
it felt numb, and then like 2 days, 3 days, you actually feel the difference.
Yeah. So it was good. She was really sweet. I have a follow-up in 3 weeks to see how I'm doing. Glad it's done and over with.
Finally, because it takes.
Finally.
Those things actually help. At least for me, it did.
Yeah. Thank you for taking me, waiting for me.
And you almost threw away our winner.
Oh yeah, we got a scratcher and I was like, oh, it's a losing one.
Good thing I looked. I was just bored, and I was like, let me look.
And then Alexander saw, he was like, actually, you won $5. So we got our money back because the scratcher was $5. So we got $5 back.
Now I'm gonna get the $10 one later. Not right now.
Slow down.
Not today.
All right, the sun is out and about right now. It is currently 72 outside, but we're heading to Whole Foods now to get some sourdough bread and go back home. Secure the bread. Okay, we're gonna try the potato latkes, right? Is that how you say it?
Latte, yeah.
Latkes.
How many?
Okay, that should be good, yeah?
Yeah.
3 pieces. Okay, we're just gonna eat here really quick at Whole Foods. Just gonna try this out. These are just okay. They're not bad, but they're not as good as the ones that Alexander's mom makes. Hers is very good. Okay, it's been a couple of hours later. We're back home. Alexander is doing the dishes in the back. In case you guys are wondering what's that sound. But I got a package that came in. Yay! I want to do an unboxing with you guys. I found this company on Facebook. They're called Hydro Jug. You guys might have or might have not seen this, but they're basically like a Stanley. Personal opinion, looks like it's better because they're leaked proof. And I always want to pull out my camera at the best time. Are you gonna blow your nose right now?
Sorry.
It's okay. Anyways, the Hydro Jug, I saw it on Facebook and I want to get another one, like a tumbler, because you guys know the Stanley isn't leak proof, and I mean you can buy these certain pieces on Amazon to make it leak proof, but no. So I actually got a couple. I got one for me and I got one for Christine. I got the sage green and I got her pink sands. I'll show you the pink sand up here in the corner because I'm not going to open hers. I'm just going to open mine. I like that they have a little pink sticker to show you how the color looks like. But yeah, I got pink sand. Here is a sage green, and this is the color right here. You guys know Well, I sometimes take my Stanley out and I'll leave it in the car, but then I feel a little iffy leaving a Stanley in the car because you guys know that the straw is exposed and like little critters can crawl in there or like dust. And I know you guys can buy like straw covers on Amazon again, but I'm like, I don't want to buy all that, you know? They come in so many different colors and a lot of them are sold out, but this green, ooh, I actually like this green. And I asked Alexander and Lucine what 2 colors should I get because I was stuck with sage green and the teal color, but I was leaning towards the sage and they both agree that the sage looks better. So let's see. Hey, look at that, so nice. This one is cup holder friendly, a rubber base. So I like that. It's not gonna make any loud noises on the bottom versus the Stanley. They don't have a rubber base. Leak proof, keeps water cold up to 24 hours, BPA free, food grade stainless, less refills. It's also a 40 ounce. So I'm gonna remove the sticker. Obviously, I'm going to clean it first before I put water. The reason why I like this is because the straw flips. So you can flip it open, and when you're not drinking it, you can close it back up so nothing goes in. Here it is. This is how it looks. This is the straw attached with this. See, it looks like that. I'm going to add water now and let you guys know how it is. Okay, I have washed and cleaned the hydro jug and I filled up the water. Loving the color and I just love the rubber base. Anyways, I didn't realize that the straw can detach, so that way you can easily clean it when it gets dirty. So I like that. And you just pop it back in. Let's close it. So it's completely sealed. Still a little wet from washing it. Yeah, like you can just throw it in the bag. Look at that. You hear the water? I filled it to the rim too, so you can see the water in there. I love it. This is so great on the go. Like this would be perfect to just throw in your bag, the gym, or anything. Like you can knock it over. So this is so good. I'm so happy. And I'm loving this color. This green is so pretty. I really like their cream one and their lilac one, but then my Stanley is already light purple, so why have two when you can get a different color? And so I thought this was like so pretty. Anyways, yeah, let me take a little sippy sip. I like the straw applicator. And there you go. In case you guys are wondering how much it costs, it's $39.99. Now I have two. I have the hydro jug and my Stanley, which I cleaned earlier, and I can rotate. I have two to go back and forth. So yeah, just wanted to share this with you guys if you're ever interested. Not sponsored. I'm just kidding. Coco Shrimp opened up about 4 to 6 weeks ago. Have this cute little outdoor sitting area. The vibes in here are fun. It's fun in here. We're like the only ones right now. They have the little wash station right here.
Oh, this is so nice.
Yeah, so these cups, look what it says, spread the aloha. Basically, if you bring this cup back, it's only 99 cents for a drink. And I like the lids that they provide. You don't need a straw. Save plastic. Eric got the sampler plate and I got the sweet and spicy plate, and it comes with rice and a salad, and then we also added avocado. I told her, can I get the sweet and sour? She was like, did you mean the sweet and spicy? Wow, this looks amazing, you guys. It smells so good. Again, I got this sweet and spicy, and it's the ginger dressing with the salad, and Eric got the sampler. So that's garlic, spicy, and then the sweet and spicy, and then the lemon, right? Lemon, garlic, lemon,
no, I
pepper.
got the garlic, the butter. Yeah,
garlic butter. And he just got double rice, no salad. Okay, Eric says the rice is really good, so here we go. The sweet and spicy has a little kick to it. It's really good and flavorful. The ginger dressing is good as well with the salad. They load up the box, like it's a lot. This is like $11.50.
That's not bad.
$11.50 for the box.
That's a lot of rice too, yeah. And the rice is the best part. Because everything tastes good by itself already, you know?
So good here, you guys. Just spoke with the area manager. He said it's a word of mouth restaurant. They don't really do promotions and stuff, so definitely going to be telling my friends to come here because it's very good. One more look at the food. It's just so beautiful. Okay, I am done. This is very filling. They give you a lot of rice. As you can see, I couldn't finish it. You're definitely getting your money's worth. That's what it is. And they also have a drive-thru too. Yeah. Eric, what are your thoughts?
It's very good.
10 out of 10?
It's like, nah, but it's up there, like
8 out of 10?
9 out of 10 maybe.
9 out of 10.
Yeah. I don't know what would be a 10 out of 10. That's hard.
They make their sauces in-house every day, and they have their delicious cilantro lime sauce with their tacos. So I might just try that next time. All these new restaurants are popping up in our area. There's a Dave's Hot Chicken that's about to be open, I would say in a few months, down the street as well from this Coco shrimp restaurant. So more things are up and coming around us, finally, after all these years. All right, do you want to go anywhere else?
Nope, that's it.
Okay. Good food, good food. You want to say hi to YouTube? I had this old bracelet that had a little jingle bell on there. Like a little tiny bell, and Alexander removed that little bell and put it on Newman's collar. So now you can just hear him everywhere he goes. Hey Newman, you're so cute. Where is it, Newman? Right here. A little jingle. Hey boys, you guys are so cute. You're so cute.